What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're going to be drawing the Slurp Leviathan skin from Fortnite. Now the first thing we want to do is move to the top center of our page and draw on a large circle. So we're going to start at the very top in the center, work our way around towards the left, come down the side, round out the bottom, and then work our way back up towards the top. Now let's move to the center of the circle and draw the eye. Start in the middle, draw a small circle, and then we'll move out and up towards the right and draw in the same size circle. Let's trace the eyes out along the inside, just leaving a small trim along the outside perimeter of that circle. Do the same thing on the right. And we add a small highlight circle on the top right, just up against the inside circle on both sides. And then we'll fill that inner area in black. Let's move down and draw on the mouth. On the inside edge of the left eye, we're going to curve out and up towards the right eye. Go back to the left, we're going to curve down lower in the middle, and then back up towards the right. Let's move out and draw on the body. Starting at the top of the eye, curve up and over towards the left, just kind of hook that down. Come down towards the bottom of the eye, curving the opposite direction, coming down towards the bottom, and then out towards the left. Let's move back up to the top and add the fins. From here we're going to create an overlap, stepping over towards the right, curve up, and then out. Now we're just going to curve that back in and then down. And from here we're going to curve in and then down towards the body. Let's add another fin. Curving out and then down. And then we're going to curve that back in the opposite direction. And we'll curl around the back fin. From here we're going to curve down and then up towards the tip. Let's move down and draw on the lower fins. Again, we're going to create an overlap, stepping over towards the right, curve down, and then out, and then we're going to taper that back up. Let's add another fin, curving down and out, and then again, pulling that back up towards the body. Then we'll add a small fin going in the opposite direction. We're going to go out and then down, and then taper that back up. Now I'm going to connect this point to the tip of the back fin with a curve. Coming down and then in. Let's add some random sized bubble inside the tank. Starting at the very top, draw a large one at the top here. Go over towards the back. We're going to add two smaller circles. Come over towards the front, add a medium one, and then along the bottom, add two more. Now we're going to move down and draw the collar of the tank. Starting over on the left side, start with a short line coming down. We'll line this up on the right, and do the same thing. Now we're going to connect the bottoms with a curve, coming down the middle, and then back up. Let's add that latch in the center, leaving a gap in the middle, draw two straight lines, one on the left, and one on the right. Now from the top we're going to step in, and draw a short line coming down about halfway, close off the center with a straight line. Now we're going to tuck the body in underneath the collar. From the left side, we're going to step in, we're going to curve out, and then down towards the left hip. On the right side, we'll step in and draw that same curve, going out, and then down towards the same height. Now about halfway down the side of the body, we're going to draw a curve from left to right, going down and up for the edge of the overalls. And then we're going to add the strap. From the top on the left, we're going to step in. We'll follow the same curve of the body coming down towards the top edge of the overalls. Let's add the camera over towards the right side of the body. Starting in the center, leave a gap, draw a straight line coming down. From the top, we'll go straight across towards the right, come down towards the bottom, and draw another straight line. And then we'll add a circle in the center of that camera. Let's go back in the center underneath the helmet, draw a straight line coming down behind the camera and down towards the edge of the overalls. We're also going to add a strap going across. From the top corner of the camera, we'll step down, draw a straight line going out. From the bottom corner, we'll step up and draw another line. And then we'll add a buckle on the shoulder strap. On the left, we'll draw 2 straight lines, one up above the other. Line this up on the right, and do the same thing. And then we're going to add that trim across the side of the body. Starting on the left side, we're going to angle up and in. Do the same thing on the right. Go straight up, leaving a gap along the top. And then we'll angle up and out towards the top corner of the overalls. Let's trace this out along the inside. Let's add that zipper across the center. Leaving a gap in the middle, go to the left side, draw a straight line coming down, going past the length of the hips, go to the right, do the same thing, close off the bottom with a line. And then from the bottom of the zipper, we'll step down and draw a curve from left to right, going up and down from the lower torso. Let's leave a gap in the center, move to the left side, curve out and down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. And then we're going to round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the heel, curve down and bend that up towards the toe, and do the same thing on the right. Let's go back to the left side and round out the top of the foot. Starting from the toe, we're going to curve up. I'm just going to bend this down, aiming towards the heel, we'll stop right about there. And do the same thing on the right, going up and then bending that down. Let's move all the way up to the hips and round out the side of the leg. Starting from the left hip, start by curving out, come down, and pull that in on top of the foot. And do the same thing on the right. Let's add some splash marks across the bottom of each foot. Starting on the left side from the toe, curve down, and then up. We'll round this out, and then come back down. Let's draw another curve, going up, and then down. Now a curve across, going in and up. Round out the top, come down and out. Now we're just going to pull this back up towards the heel. Let's do a similar thing on the right side. Starting from the toe, curve across and up. Round the top, come down. Do a shorter curve. Then go across and up. Round this out and come back out. And then pull this up towards the heel. Let's add a strap going across the foot. Starting from the top of the foot on the left, curve in and then down, step out, and draw that twice. Let's do the same thing on the right. At the top of the curve, come in and down, step out, draw that twice. And from the top of the foot, we're going to step up and draw the edge of the boot. Starting on the outside of the leg, curve down and then up, line this up on the right, and do the same thing. Now I'm going to step down and just trace that same curve to the edge of the boot. Now I'm going to add a strap going across the thigh. Starting from the left side, curve down and then in, line this up on the right, go out and then up. We'll step down and draw that same curve twice. Now just up above the boot, we're going to add the knee pad. Right here we're going to curve down and then in about halfway along the length of the leg, go straight down. Line this up on the right, down and in, straight down. Let's go back up to the top and add some drips across the body. We're going to start underneath the collar, start on the outside of the strap, curve down and up, curve down again, and then back up underneath the collar. And then on the inside, we'll add a small circle. Let's add another drip underneath the camera strap. Come down, round this out, and then go back up. And we'll add some drips coming down the top edge on the right. Come down, round this out, go back up, come down again, and then back up towards the top. Let's add a little drip along the bottom, a small circle. Let's add some drips across the strap. Starting on the left, come down and then up. Go to the inside of the leg, we come all the way down towards the boot cup, and all the way back up. Do the same thing on the right. And we'll add a little bit more underneath the boot cup. Going down and up, and then a smaller one going up. And we'll just draw one drip on the right side. Let's move back up and draw on the arms. About halfway down the side of the body, start by curving out and then down towards the wrist. Line this up on the right and do the same thing. Now going back to the left side, from the wrist we're going to draw the thumb. Draw a small half circle, curving in and then back out. At the end of the thumb, we'll add a bracket. Do the same thing on the right. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. Starting underneath the thumb, curve down and up around that bracket. Step down, curve down and up the second finger. Now the third finger will go out, bend the arm up and in towards the bottom corner of the collar. Now we're going to do the same thing on the right. Starting underneath the thumb, come down and up around that bracket. Step down on the second finger. And then the third finger to go out, up, and then in towards the bottom corner on the right. Now we're going to add some detail to the arms. Starting on top of the thumb, go out, and then bend that over towards the left, step up, and draw that same curve coming in. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting from the wrist, curve up, and then out, step up, and draw that twice. We're also going to add a thin strap across the top. From here we're going to step up, just trace that across on both sides. And then about halfway along the width of the arm, draw a straight angle line coming down. Let's add a strap on the upper arm. Starting from the inside of the arm at the very top, curve up and then out on both sides. Now we step up and draw that same curve, coming in behind the body. And I'm also going to add a pouch on the outside of the arm. From the top of the strap, we're going to step up, angle up and out, come down the side of the arm with a straight line, and then pull that back in. Let's do the same thing on the right. Stepping up, angle up and out, come down the side, and then we'll pull that in. Let's add some drips across the arm. Starting on the outside, curve down, and then up. Now we're going to round up the top, come back down with a short line, round up the bottom, and then go back up underneath that strap. Let's add a spot along the bottom. Then on the right side, we're going to start underneath the collar, come down, and then up, round up the bottom again, and go all the way up towards the top, and then underneath the strap, and down, round this out, and go all the way back up, and that's pretty much it. There's the Slurp Leviathan skin from Fortnite. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe, and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.